Welcome to our new video. I'm from Golden Detector Company in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. So for today's video, I'm going to show you the Garrett USA metal detectors available in our company. So first, I'm going to show you the Garrett Ace 150. So as you can see, this is the appearance of Garrett Ace 150. So it has a armrest, main unit, adjustable shaft, and one piece of coil. So as you can see, it has a all metal, jewelry, and coins mode. So it has also a sensitivity adjustment. So it depends on what type of soil you have. And also there's a cursor pointing if what type of metal that the device detecting. And also the second one is Garrett Ace 200i. So armrest, main unit, and adjustable shaft, and one coil. As you can see also, it has a all metal or zero discrimination, and it has a jewelry and coins mode. So adjustable sensitivity also, so it depends on your type of soil. It has also a target ID number and cursor, so it depends on what is the device detecting. So the third one, so we have Ace 400i. So this one, armrest and arm strap included. And it has the main unit powered by AA battery, 4 pieces, adjustable shaft, and one piece of coil. So it's bigger than the two devices that I mentioned. So it has a all metal or zero discrimination mode, jewelry, custom mode, relics, and coins. So it has also a adjustment for sensitivity. So it depends on the type of soil you have, and also it has a pointer mode. And on this device, you can discriminate. So if you don't want to detect iron or aluminum or other type of metal, you can adjust on this device. So it also have a cursor. It depends on also it will or you will know what is the target that the device detecting. So we have other one, Garrett Ace Apex. So this one, it has a armrest with the arm strap, and it has also a Z-Link or a wireless headphone. So this one is the main unit. So it's built-in battery and adjustable shaft with one piece of D coil. So as you can see, this device or the Apex has a mode of zero discrimination. Coins, US coins, jewelry, also has a US coins, and relics and coins. And then as you can see, it has also a pointer mode, and you can discriminate also if you don't want to detect iron or any types of metal. So you can remove it or remove the sound or the detection. So on this device, it also have a frequency. The frequency is used for or adjustable frequency. So it is used for targeting the small, medium, or large target. So we have also the Garrett 80 Max. So this Garrett 80 Max comes with the wireless headphone, armrest, arm strap, main unit, adjustable shaft, and it has also a D coil. So this one is waterproof, all waterproof, and powered by AA battery, 4 pieces also. So it comes also with the modes that all metal, and then custom, and coins, and zero disc or zero mode. So it comes also with the discrimination mode, so you can remove the sound of the iron or other types of metal like aluminum. So it has also a pointer, ground balance, and the frequency for this one, the adjustment for frequency this one for this Garrett 80 Max. So for example, you have a group of metal detectorists or metal detectors, other detector, it will not interfere your detector, so you can adjust that one. So we have also this Garrett 80 Gold. So Garrett 80 Gold comes with a wired headphone, armrest, arm strap, main unit powered by a AA battery, 4 pieces, adjustable shaft, and it comes with the 3 coils or 3 types of coils. So you can see here it has a all metal, discrimination 1, discrimination 2. It has also pointer, and you can customize if, for example, you don't want to detect other metals. So frequency also, there's an adjustment. If there's another group for metal detector, you can adjust your frequency, so it will not interfere your detector. So we have the last one. This is the Gold Master 24K. So this one, as you can see, armrest, arm strap. This is the battery pack, so you can insert the battery, and it has a main unit also, adjustable shaft, and it comes with one piece of coil. So this one is made for finding gold nuggets or a small piece of type of metal or gold or any precious metals. So it has also a discrimination mode, iron discrimination, and pointer. For questions and more information of Garrett Metal Detectors, you can contact us in our company number. Available WhatsApp, Viber, booking, and company email.